usefulenglish.com.
Good evening. Good evening. Good thing you turned this channel back on. Good thing you turned this channel back on. This is my basement. This is my basement. I'm in the middle of doing my laundry. I'm in the middle of doing my laundry. I always do this on Tuesdays after work. I always do this on Tuesdays after work. The laundry basket is in front of me. The laundry basket is in front of me. Today, I'm washing the colored laundry. Today, I'm washing the colored laundry. Behind me is the washing machine. Behind me is the washing machine. The detergent is on the washing machine. The detergent is on the washing machine. Next to the washing machine is the tumble dryer. Next to the washing machine is the tumble dryer. The clothing iron is on top of the dryer. The clothing iron is on top of the dryer. In 2 hours, my laundry will be clean and dry again. In 2 hours, my laundry will be clean and dry again. The furnace is also down here in the basement. The furnace is also down here in the basement. I like my basement. I like my basement. It's nice and cool down here in the summer. It's nice and cool down here in the summer. That's why my old armchair is here. That's why my old armchair is here. My road bike is next to the basement stairs. My road bike is next to the basement stairs. My ladder's still there. My ladder's still there. I changed the light bulb earlier. I changed the light bulb earlier. Remind me to put the ladder away, please. Remind me to put the ladder away, please. To the left of the tumble dryer is a shelf. To the left of the tumble dryer is a shelf. That shelf is where I keep my old stuff. That shelf is where I keep my old stuff. I packed most of the things in boxes. I packed most of the things in boxes. That's where my old video camera is. That's where my old video camera is. Well, I have to get back to my laundry. Well, I have to get back to my laundry. Sleep well. See you tomorrow. Sleep well. See you tomorrow.